Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully, you are doing absolutely amazing. I'm back, krishush, with another fantastic video in Java. So, in this tutorial, we are going to learn about while loop in Java, and definitely you will enjoy this video if you really want to learn Java. So, first of all, as you can see, that its body will execute until the given condition is true. So yeah, the while loop is really amazing and very simple, as you can see on the syntax. First of all, you need to use keyword which is while. After that, you need to use the condition and what condition you want to run the while code. After that, you can write your code, and on that body section itself you can write incrementation and decrementation also. So let's go to the coding area and let's see how to run and how to write our first program in while loop. Now we are in coding area, and here we are going to write our first program in while loops. So first of all, we are going to declare the value, and let's suppose we will take x is equals to 1 because it's just simple to understand. And here we are going to take the keyword which is while. After that, we need to write the condition. So we are not going to write the condition, but we are going to write the condition what we want to return from this, what we want the output. So that is what we have right. Okay, so from this we will not get any output. So let's take this also, and after that we will look at the another example. So let's write the system dot out dot println, and let's print the value of x. So now what we need to do is we need to write the incrementation or decrementation here. So let's run this program, and let's see what will be the output. So it is showing that text is not allowed to run in parallel. Would you like to stop running once? Okay, stop it and run it again. So yeah, as you can see, we have not got any output because we had mentioned here 1. Let's put here 5, and now let's run it again. So it is building, and now you can see the output is 4 because it will increment the value, and if we will remove this also, so you will get the output which is different, which is 1 1 1 and 1 infinite time. So that is how while loop works. So hopefully you have got something idea about while loop, and in future we are definitely going to use it, and we will also learn how to take the input from customer or from like our user. So hopefully guys, properly you have got what is while loop and how it works. So let me stop it, else my system will hang. So yeah, that is how it works. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, so please like it, comment anything if you want to know, and please do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.